wanted to create your own team of superheroes? Maybe like the Avengers, Justice League, anything like that? Well, maybe it's just me. But in case it's not, I wanted to walk through the process that I used to create a team called the Indie Avengers, the team that helps indie hackers really figure out how to become ultimately successful in building their businesses. And so, what we're going to do today is we're going to use a combination of Copy AI's workflows, Playground AI, and then Zapier to create a whole process that'll give you the ability to create an entire super team in just minutes. From name to backstory to image, you'll have the whole enchilada. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use Copy AI's chat to workflow to come up with a name of our superhero team. And so I have already created the workflow here, but I pulled up the chat history. And so if we look over here, we've got given a group of people, come up with a name for their superhero team. And then I gave it a couple of examples of like Justice League or the Avengers. And so what this is going to do is it's going to actually generate a few different options and then pick the best one for us. But it'll give us both outputs. So let's go ahead and test this here. And in this case, let's just say people that help a YouTuber become famous. Let's see what we get here. Just a second. All right. Ends up giving us the View Crew. I actually like that. I think that is the best of the three. So this will be step one. All right. So now that we've got our team name, next thing we're going to need are a bunch of superheroes. And so in this case, I've got a superhero generator. Again, already created, but I basically gave it the that out of the way. Get the chat history here. And so given a superhero team name and a description of the person, come up with their name and their backstory. Also added an input field for gender. I realized it was getting a little male dominated, let's say. So when I was creating a group, I wanted to kind of mix it up a little bit, right? And so easy enough to change that input. And so again, we'll test it out here. We've got the View Crew. This is a YouTubers become famous. And for the description, let's say great thumbnails. See what we get here. Thumbnail Girl. Okay. Not the greatest name there, but we can always workshop that. Okay. Cool. Actually, let's do... See what we get. Scripticus. Okay, that's a better name. Cool. And we have ourselves a pretty decent backstory here to go with it. That's it for step two. Okay, so now that we've got team name, couple heroes, let's come up with an image for them. And so again, using the chat to workflow here, in this case, I had it create a prompt that we can use in something like Midjourney. I actually found that Playground AI did a little better job with this, so I'm probably going to use that to actually generate the image, but just giving it the idea of Midjourney gave it an idea of what it needed to do, and therefore has a pretty decent result. And so, like before, we'll go ahead and test this out, and we will do this with Scripticus. Paste in the backstory here, and we'll give that a few seconds. All right, and this gives us our prompt. So let's take that over to Playground AI and see what happens. Okay, so over here on Playground, I like the model of Stable Diffusion XL. That seemed to give me really good results. And then for the filter, I had really good results with Spielberg. And so I will copy in the image prompt that we got before. Move that again, and we will generate, and let's see what we get here. It usually takes about 30 seconds or so to generate an image, or in this case, 4 images, all adjustable. There we go. There is Scripticus for us. Actually, I kind of really enjoy the posters on the wall there. But all right, so now we've got our images. Put all of this together, and we get something pretty easy to start generating some superheroes, right? So let's go ahead and connect them all, shall we? Okay, so let's say you want to put it all together now. And for this, I'm using Zapier. And so to kind of kick it off, I set up a trigger in the Chrome extension, which you can easily do to just kind of have some fields. And so I gave it the group name, group description, and person description. In this case, I'm already assuming you've got the group name generated. You could even throw that in, but I figured the group name would be done one time, and then you'd want to generate a bunch of superheroes for that group, right? And so we've got those 3 fields added. And that gives us the sample here. And then, so then we've got this run Python step, which I just use this to pick random between male and female. Again, you can kind of do it however you want. I just wanted to, pick something there instead of having to select it each time. And okay, and so now we've got this new beta copy AI integration with Zapier, which is pretty cool. And I'm not saying that just because I built it. So we want to run the workflow, and then already signed in there. And so pick the superhero generator. So this is the one I showed before. Takes the group name, group description, person description, and the gender from the previous steps. And that will generate. And then it kind of shows us some samples here. And then I actually pass that on to the next workflow, which again, we're running the workflow here. Same thing. And we've got the superhero image prompt, right? And so this takes the name and backstory from the previous ones and passes it through. And then let's see what we've got here. So again, we're going to run a workflow. And then we're going to generate some fun facts. So this is another workflow I had that I didn't show in this video, but we've got the superhero name and backstory. Again, I use this to generate the fun facts that I created in the video on Monday. Check it out, Indie Avengers. I had a lot of fun with it. You might enjoy watching it. And so in this case, I generate some fun facts about the superhero based on their backstory. And so when I do that, all I have to do to kick it off is open up the Zapier extension. And then we've got the superhero creator here. Okay, and so we will kick that off. All right, and it is not versions. Let's go to history. And then It's currently running. Okay, we're waiting on the results here. So it sends off the request, has to wait for the results, and then so it'll do that a few times. Just take a few seconds to run here. Just keep refreshing. It shouldn't take too long. Need like a fun time lapse here while I hit the refresh button over and over again. Okay, it looks like we're just about done. And we have a success. And so if we look here, so we've got the status is the name. We got the backstory here. And then we've got the image prompt for us. And then fun facts. And so we've got all of these pretty cool facts about him. And so all of this together, and then in about a minute, we're able to generate an entire superhero backstory, and then at least get the image prompt. Well, obviously, you have to paste that in. I haven't done any integrations with like some of the image providers because they don't seem to offer that yet, but it'll be coming soon. But anyway, you can see we did a ton of work in a very short amount of time. And so I thought this was a great way to just show what you can do by using Copy AI's workflows, an automation platform like Zapier, and really get some, what I think are pretty cool results. All right. Hope that was helpful. Now go out, design your own team of superheroes, because I'm pretty sure you can do an even better job than me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.